those who are crazy about learning English, they will be watching English related video every day on YouTube, and I am also one of them. Every day I watch English related video, and you can see me, on short video you can consider, where I uploaded lots of short videos. I told about
Yes.
words, vocabulary, advanced English, structure, formulas, so by using which we can
Yes,
speak
yes.
advanced English. Yes.
Yes, I watch your video and I always noticed you always while speaking with someone you wandering here and there. So what is the secret behind it?
Yes, yes. Actually, some people say about like walking. You can consider like Jadu walks every day. When he makes video, when he talks with other person, when he talks with the people, that time he walks. So if I tell about the reason of walking, so the reason of walking is that when I walk and I make video, that time like people like my video because they are getting to see which is background. Mostly people, those you suppose one person is in your village, yes, who doesn't understand English, so he doesn't know English also, little bit sentence also he doesn't know, so he will watch my video, and suppose I will not show any background, then he will not take any interest to watch my video because he will not understand, and plus he can't see anything. So suppose he will not be able to understand something, then he can watch my video for looking only background. I think he cannot skip my video, he will see just background. For him it will work sometime in case of need. For the people, some people, for some people it is not working, but for foreign people, it works. You can consider, when I saw background, the people of foreign country, they like my background. Yes.
But you know what, Jadu, you are not visible, so I'm not seeing you behind your environment.
Oh, but after recording you can see me completely, you can see me. Yes.
Okay. Okay, so Jadu, I would like to know, so why you don't use the actual picture of person as the thumbnail when you having a conversation with them? You always use a picture of any celebrity. So what is the reason behind it?
Yes, actually nowadays I think some people, I don't want to defame others photo, you can consider. That's why, something like mostly I take the photo of celebrity, like great person, you can consider. I don't take any person's photo who is, I think little, I think not great person, you can consider. Like they will not like, also they will abuse you. So they will abuse me, it can happen, you can consider. That's why I take only photo of great person. You can suppose one day I can take photo of Mahatma Gandhi also, I can take photo of Subhash Chandra Bose, like that I take only. Yes.
Yes, I noticed whenever I watch your video, you use Mona Lisa and Narendra Modi. So any celebrity pic you use in your thumbnail?
Yes, and I think lots of things I get by doing like this. Actually views, you can consider something people will get attracted to watch my video, and suddenly they click on video. They will click on video, and I think one thing we have to pay attention while doing these kinds of thing. Nowadays I think people do clickbait. Clickbait, I think you understood, right? Clickbait means like search thumbnail by looking which people will like whatever you will see in thumbnail, that will not be in the video. Suppose you have seen one birds, I think over the birds you saw an aeroplane, you can consider, and when you will click on video, you can't get any aeroplane, and one suppose I think some video can be like that. I think in some video I saw haunted, do ghost, bhoot. So one day, I saw a ghost behind a person in the, in the thumbnail, and when I clicked video, I didn't get any booth. I didn't get any booth behind him. Just he was walking at night time, and there was any booth. So that is clickbait, so that people will click in that video and he will get views, millions of views. That's the reason,
Okay, so very nice reason behind your success. I also applied
Yes.
this,
Yes.
method.
Yes, but
While uploading
I think
video.
yes, we can apply like this, but by deliberation we should apply, because sometimes suppose you have taken photo of some people, like that, like they will abuse you, right? Some people are like that, but you have to take the photo mostly great person, like can be Mukesh Ambani, Salman Khan, great
Yes,
person
yes,
you should
yes.
take only. Don't take any, small actress of any video. Otherwise, they will see our video. But I think for some YouTubers,
Okay.
small YouTubers, suppose you are a small YouTubers. So for you, any person photo you can take. But for me, it is not possible. If I'll take, like someone will be watching my video, so he will see abuse me. But I can say Salman Khan will not get, angry by looking all the same, I can say, because lots of people took his photo, and you can watch also on YouTube, Mahatma Gandhi's photo, and I think Modi's dancing video, lots of people uploaded. All the same, he
Yes,
didn't get
yes.
angry at all. You can consider. That's why by thinking, I apply. You can consider. Otherwise, I don't apply. Yes.
Yes, you are right. It's very inspiring, amazing.
Yes.
And okay, is today your fast of Navratri?
Yes. Yes. Today. Yes.
Okay. So, okay. So, how do you break your fast in the evening?
Yes. Actually, you can consider in evening time, I was not at home, just now I came. Actually, I had come, I had gone to meet some people in the market, and there I spent around 3 hours, you can consider. That's why today I didn't eat food also, supper, you can consider. Yes.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
I also fasted today, and I woke up early in the morning and completed my all the household chores, got ready for the puja, and I prepared puja thali with flowers, garland, and coconut prasad, and completed my worship with my husband and kids also.
Yes, yes. And in which area I had gone, there lots of people are so while worshipping, there also played. You can consider there are a lot of people, and some people had come to meet me from different area, So for meeting them, I had gone there, and they took selfie with me because now I became celebrity in my area. So that's the reason, nowadays people keep calling me to meet me. Jadu, we wanna take selfie with you, and we wanna meet you. Please come. We want to see you in the reality. How are you looking like that? One day a girl, is YouTuber. You can that girl is a YouTuber. Like YouTuber, she
Okay.
works on YouTube. I think she has dancing channel from my society. So she saw my video.
Okay.
One day she was playing, she was running live, live you can consider. She had come live, and I commented on her live video, So she saw my comment. Then she recognized me. You are Jadu. So please come. I am going to shoot. Please come for my shooting. Shooting like that. He called me. So that's the reason. I was busy. You can consider. For shooting. Shooting means like album video, album dancing video. There I had gone to see how they are shooting. Like that.
Wow, Jadu, you are very famous boy. That's great. Okay, so who inspired you to learn this language?
Yes, if I talk about expression, like by from whom I got, if I talk about a person, that person is from South India, from him I got motivation. His name is Father Julian. I think before 2 years, 3 years around, he was in our school. He was teaching English of class 8, like students you can consider. So that time I was in 7th class. So already I told you, I think just now I told you that he was a teacher of class 8, and one day on Saturday day, I think that time the year of 2022, when I was in 7th class. So he got time to come to my class also. When he entered in the class, then he taught us tenses, and plus he told a story, motivation. So that time I was hearing him seriously, Then I had got motivation to learn this language. So that's why it has been 2 years since I started learning my English. When he taught us in tenses, first time, and told us about some stories to get motivation about learning English. Why should we learn English like that? When he was telling in the class, so that time I heard him seriously. But I think in which day I was in the school, I was hearing him. That time I was not only in the class, you can consider. I think lots of students were in the class, and they were hearing him when he was telling a story about abroad country. He was telling about aeroplane, like if you know English you can travel here and there, like that motivation he gave us, you can consider. So that time I was in the class, so I heard him seriously. Then I took that seriously, came home and searched about tenses suddenly on YouTube in mobile. That time I had only mobile under 6,000, So that mobile was not working well, but for learning and for